Hi girls, how are you today? I hope you're doing super good. This class is going to be very fun. We have an agenda, and in the agenda of this class, it's about reading and art. We're going to put the two subjects together. The first part is a brain gym. We're going to activate our brain. In the Google Classroom, I put a little and a short video. So the idea is that you can follow and you can do the exercise that proposed this person. So you're gonna put one hand like this, and you need to switch and you need to do this. He is projecting it in different speed. He's putting it very slow. The idea is to do it slow, and when you have practiced, you can do it faster. So I put you some images. First, with one hand, the right hand, you show the thumb, and then with the other hand, you show the four fingers, and then you switch. And he's doing it very slow so you can understand and you can do it in your house. Okay? Like this, and then you switch. They get to do it at the same time, not like the teacher, like this. Okay? Once you do it, and you have done it a little bit faster, I propose you an activity. This activity, it's a matching activity. Look, the second point is read and match the image. So, the second point says, I am an object that uses current electricity. You love watch series in me. What I am, so you need to look at the pictures that are on the right. And then you're going to make a line. If you want, you can do a line. So I'm going to do the first example with you. In this case, it's the television. If you don't like to do lines, you can number the pictures over here. 1, 2, 3, and then in here you can put 2. That's another way to do it. Or you can just put here the name TV. So now you have 3 possibilities to answer this part of the activity. Matching with a line, writing the number, or writing the name of the object. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 6 little readings and you have 6 pictures to match. Now it's your turn to draw. You're going to read and you're going to draw. So I have here some clues and you must draw what I say here. Teacher, but if it doesn't say the color, if I don't say the color, you can color in any one. But if I say a shape, and a specific shape, you need to do it in that shape. For example, it says that it's a cylinder shape. And then if you discover with the description, what is that? So you're going to draw it and it's going to be easier. I suggest you to read all the test. And after you draw all the tests, after you read all the tests, you can draw it because you're going to have a general picture of what are you going to draw. This exercise, it's 3 times. You're going to read one, you're going to draw another one, the second and the third. And that's it. I hope you enjoy this activity because it's super fun. We know as teachers that you love drawing, so that's why we like to do this activity with you. Bye bye.